Let me give you a quick overview of how this gear pump works and its basic structure. The structure is actually quite simple. There's a pump body, a top cover, a figure-8 frame, and a bottom plate. This here is the top cover. This is the bottom plate. This is the figure-8 frame, plus a drive shaft, a drive gear, and a driven gear. Put together, they form one complete pump. The front and back cover plates, the figure-8 frame, and the gears all combine together. And that forms a sealed volumetric chamber. The gear pump's drive shaft connects to a motor. The motor spins the drive shaft, which meshes the drive gear with the driven gear, creating an oil intake chamber and an oil discharge chamber. As the motor keeps turning, it continuously draws in and pushes out the paint. It converts the motor's output motion into pressure energy, a form of energy conversion. So the pump is essentially a power component. Its structure is simple and compact. It's small and it meters the paint very precisely. On top of that, its response is very fast, and with no pulsation, the paint flow stays smooth and steady.